Hello everyone, get ready to meet one of the most colourful and talkative birds on the planet. Did you know that parrots can mimic human voices and sounds? Some even learn to talk just like us. Parrots come from tropical rainforests all around the world. They love to eat fruits, nuts and seeds. These smart birds can live for up to 80 years. Speaking of talking, some parrots can learn dozens of words and phrases. They're not just clever, they're also super playful. Parrots have strong beaks for cracking open nuts and seeds. Plus they have zygodactyl feet, which means 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward for a strong grip. People all around the world keep parrots as pets because of their friendly nature, but it's essential to remember that these birds need lots of love and care. Time for a quiz. Can parrots swim? A, yes, or B, no? What do you think? Great job learning about parrots today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Thanks for watching.